A lot of people try to plant all of their lettuce all at once in a tight space, and there's a few issues with that. First of all, there's not enough room for the roots to grow out properly, and the lettuce won't grow as large as it possibly could. It might only grow to a size like this. The other thing is you have to wait for the lettuce to grow. When you finally get the harvest, then you have to wait again to get your next harvest. Whereas if you use the method I'm about to show you, you have a constant supply of lettuce and you can more than double your harvest. So let's get into it. So here I have the seed starting tray with the lettuce, and I have a planter here that I'm going to transplant it into. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually push down holes into this planter. And you'll notice that I'm giving a good amount of distance between the holes, about 4 inches. And that's to allow the roots to grow out so I can get a full-size lettuce. Now what I'm going to do is actually grab the lettuce and put it into here. I have this little device, but you can also use a spoon. So I'm popping it out, putting it in the hole, and just pushing it over. Now I'll do the next one. Pop it out into the hole, push it around, and one more, and push it around, okay? So I've completed transplanting the lettuce, and just to let you know, I have another 7 of these planters out in the greenhouse. I also have another 8 planters on top of that do not have lettuce in them right now. So what I'm going to do is actually use the empty seed starting trays. I'm going to start new seeds in them. And when they get large enough, they'll go into that other set of planters that I have. And I'm going to keep going through this process through the spring, summer, and fall, so I have a constant supply of lettuce. So that basically covers the whole process. It gives you a lot more lettuce than if you just direct sow the seeds. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you soon.